YouTube, Trapical here, man, with another banger video, man, for y'all boys, man. And so look, you see the top of the video, man, I will be doing a jean collections, my jean collections, and the best places where y'all can go to buy y'all jeans for cheap, you feel me, on the low skis. I have a pile and a couple of jeans I want to show y'all a couple. I got some from Boohoo, Forever 21, H&M, got some from Designer Pieces, and I want to show y'all where y'all can get them for cheap, or y'all can get them for, you know, less of a price. Stay tuned to the video, like, comment, subscribe, man. Go follow the Clothing Line brand Instagram page, will be linked in the description. And other than that, let's get to the video, man. Alright, YouTube, so basically I'm gonna start with the first jean. I'm going to start with probably, I have a couple jeans on the bed, but this is one of the jeans I have, and it is yeah, this is indeed one of the jeans I have. It's called Black Outsider. This is how the package indeed coming in, and this is how the logo look like, Outsider. I also got another one in black, midnight black. You can see how the material is and how the jean is, the style is. It got like these outside, these cuts on the outside, and in the inside is like a whole, like, there's no cuts, so the cuts are basically on the outside. They look real nice. I have pictures on my Instagram. Link will be in the description. I'll show a picture of some on the screen. What pictures I took of these jeans. This is the logo. Outsiders. You see it, Outsiders. I got it in a size 28, but it kind of fits tight. I should have gotten in a size 30. I might reorder these if he actually have more on his site. I bought this like a couple years ago, and it still fits me. I like the black one real good. It fits me. I basically wear every shoe and every like fit I have this black jean. I need more black jeans, but this is one of the black jeans I have. I have this black jeans also too. Got them at Forever 21. This one I had this also for years. I actually like this one. I wear this one also too, but this one is like cut more. I have a lot of cuts, and this cut you can see like my meat. No homo. You can see my meat in the pants. But I'm gonna have to get them fixed again. And yeah, these are just some basic black jeans. Not too much to say about this. And yeah, man. Yeah, this is the other one too. I also got, this is a rust pink, but this one don't fit me, I'm pretty sure. I got this in size 28 also too. You can't see it, but it got the Outsiders logo. The Outsiders in the back. But yeah, man, nothing too much about this one. I really like this one, but I wish it really fit me. I wear it now and then, but it's really tight. So I'm gonna have to stretch it and make it be able to fit me. I could bust a nice fit in it, but yeah, I haven't worn this one yet, and this one's gonna go down in the books. Well, I have a nice, actually I did wear this. Let me not cap. I have a fit I worn. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. It will be linked in the description on my Instagram. And yeah, this was real hard. I'm indeed gonna pass this on to my little brother. I might sell it to someone. I'll probably offer up a Depop Grail, and yeah, just stay tuned to that, man. I think this can really go for a lot of money. I might just buy another size. That's how indeed look again. All right, now I'm about to move on with the second jean. All right, the second pants I got is like these cargos. Some green cargos, military green cargos. Nothing too much about this. Let's go crazy. I'm not gonna lie, this go crazy. Also got some zippers on the bottom too of it. You got some zippers. I don't know if you can see the zippers. You can unzip it, and like it's really slim. It's really slim, and it fits perfect. So when I have this on, these I can actually take it off, like the zipper, and it really looks nice with it, or it looks good, or it looks kind of, I feel like it looks better with the zipper, like, you know, pulled up. There's other people have different opinions. They got like pockets on the sides. It gives like a good material. Got pockets in here also too. Not the side belt buckle. I just added another belt to it like this, but yeah, nothing too much to say about this. I think the brand is Lodge. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Lodge. Yeah, I got it in size 40. Called Lodge, but yeah, it's good material, and I've been having this for a good minute, and it fits, and I think it's durable actually too. I also got another color. You can tell the difference. This is actually a brighter green. This is actually a darker green. Same thing, also different brand. This one is actual from I don't know how to pronounce it. X-Ray Jeans. X-Ray Jeans. I got in the size 30 and 30. And I barely wear this one. This one is just a darker one. He got some pockets on the side over here. Just regular cargo pants. Got pockets on the side over here too. But this one is not a zipper one. It's just a regular pants, regular jean. And yeah, man, not too much to say about this one. I'm gonna indeed put some more fits on this one and this, but I really like this green one more much than this darker one. Which one? Tell me in the comment section which one I like, either the light green or the dark green. If you came this far in the video, tell me which pants you like out of both of these. But yeah, let me move on to the pants number 3. Alright, so we back with pants number 3, the outfit number 3. This pants, I'm not sure. Well, these are basically some trousers. You can wear these like with white Air Forces. I need to get these tailored up. I got them in a size 31. These are from H&M. I had ordered these and they're slim. I really like them. Nothing too crazy, but I feel like I'll bust a hard fit in these trousers. You can wear them with white Forces, white t-shirt, tank top shirt, and yeah, just go crazy with them, bro. Once I get them tailored, or I'll probably do it myself, I will record a video for you guys and put this on this channel. But yeah, these are just some white trousers. They fit slim and they fit good. They're kind of skinny also too, so I just really wear these when I go out somewhere, like, you know, fancy or stylish. I'll put this on, or like to church or something. Also got another one. I think I like this one much more. It gives off like a cream look, like a cream colorway look. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's like a cream color with a black. And this is, I got this from, I don't know how to pronounce it, Zanabori, Zanerobe. I got it from Zanerobe, and this is size 30. This go crazy. I only bought these only cause it matches like these Comor des Garçons shoes I have, and also had the polka dot version. But I had bought these only cause like it matches the regular kind. I had the regular kinds also too, but it matches it, and I had to bust a fit with it, and it really went nice. It really went well, and I eventually kept the pants because I really like it, and I don't think I'm gonna sell it. Like, you know, you're always gonna have something stylish in your closet. You hear me, man? You hear me? You hear me? Nah, man. Always gotta have something stylish, some stylish pieces in your closet. Man, I don't know if it's me, but you gotta have, you feel me? You gotta have something stylish to let them know, you feel me? If you wanna look good, you dress for success. But yeah, I'm gonna move on with outfit number 4, the pants number 4. And now I got some gray jeans. Alright, YouTube, so I'm back and I got some gray jeans. These jeans, I indeed got them from PacSun, but I ordered it. I think ordering them is way better because when I ordered them, I got them from eBay, and they were like really cheap, like only $30. This is like from PacSun, and it's size 28, I believe, 29. I'm not too mistaken, 30. But yeah, this one, I barely wear these gray jeans. You got 2 cuts right here, 2 knee cuts, and yeah, I got like these the stretch all on the leg parts, the kneecaps. And yeah, nothing too much to say about these jeans. It's gray regular jeans. I don't really wear them too much. I'm not a fan of gray jeans, but yeah, I feel like this kind of done way more. I probably might put my own designs and more stuff to it, like cut it more. But to stick tuned to that, some of these pieces I'm going to end up selling them. I don't really wear like most of all these jeans. The only jeans I wear is the black one, like I showed you, the outsider jeans. But yeah, man, I just need to start putting some stuff on, man. I need to put that shit on back again, bro. Yeah, man, I just need, soon I'm gonna style some more clothes, do like lookbooks, fashion videos, you know, hauls, all that. But this is right now just basically a jean collection video. And yeah, man, I'll say just really go on eBay and look up gray jeans, and make sure they're PacSun jeans too. PacSun, H&M, or Forever 21, something like that. Don't get these spoof cheap quality jeans that you go on Wish or Temu or whatever you go on. Don't go to them. Don't go to that, bruh. None of that. We don't do none of that, bruh. If it's Boohoo, Shein, it's okay, it's mid. But other than that, bruh, Forever 21, PacSun, all them, you gotta shop from there because they got some good quality. And if you want stuff like this, it'll be hard, man. But yeah, man, this is one of the gray jeans I have, and this is another one. I got a gray. This one I copped it from. I ordered it, and it's size 30. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. Called Wyoming, and it's a skinny fit. This one's actually stretchy too. This jeans is stretchy, and I think I like this one more than this, only because how it's stretchy and how it looks. There's cuts on it, but I can't feel the cuts. Like there's like another fabric under it. This one is like cuts all the way from the thighs to like almost beneath the shin cap. But yeah, the bottom of this not really cut. It fits straight. I feel like this one fits way better than this one. This one is kind of skinny, but it's the kneecaps that just throw it off for me. I think this one is way better, looks better. And let me show you how it looks in the back. Not too much. And yeah, man. This is the size 30 skinny fit jean. And if you want to cop this jean, I will also put the brand and the link in the description. It's called Waimea. And I ordered this. No, I actually didn't order this. I got this from Ross. I think it was like, you know, probably $10, $12, $15, but I seen it was fire and I copped it and I like it. And yeah, man, these are my gray jeans collection. And I'm gonna move on to my blue jeans. Alright, so I got a couple of blue jeans, like dark blue and blue jeans. I'm gonna go run through these real quick. None too much to say about this one. It's just a basic jean from PacSun. As you guys see, PacSun, got the PacSun logo in the back. But these are just basic stacked skinny jeans. You can see the stacked skinny, got them in size 30 to 29. None too much about these. I like these jeans. It fits straight. I rarely wear these jeans. I don't like blue jeans, and these don't have no cuts, which is actually perfect, but it fits skinny, and I know I can do something with this. I might make a stacked jeans video, and this might be the jeans I use, so just stay tuned to that. I just need to get another same color as this, same color, and yeah, man, just basic PacSun, you know, blue jeans. Probably got these for like $20, $25, $30. Yeah, man. These are PacSun blue jeans. I also got another one, same one from PacSun, the stack and skinny. Got the PacSun logo, in the back. And then these are the same ones, but a darker color. I'll say they fit perfect, they fit well. I just haven't worn them or wear them in a minute. They probably like don't fit me no more, but I need to build on the fit and actually, like, you know, make something out of it. I can make like stacked jeans video. Let me know if you want to see that, like a stacked jeans video. I could also do that with these. And yeah, man, I think I like the low-key, I think I like the lighter one, like this one and this one. I don't know if it's me, but the dark one shows more, but I'll rock this one more if I do like a double, if not make stacked jeans. But just stick tuned in them videos, man. And yeah, man, here's my last one. I got two more blue jeans. This is like an actual stacked jean, and I ordered it, but this was not how it's supposed to make or turn out or look like. I bought this from a website, and they gave me like the most shittiest one. I'm sorry, but it's called George Slim. It looks like they just did this homemade itself. And it's really long as hell. Like, this is so long. Look how big the cuts is, bruh. It was really not supposed to be like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go there. It's tailored down soon one day. This is actually my second time actually picking these back up. I put it on and it was really big, but I didn't wear no fit or nothing with it. This is really long. But yeah, this is just some dark blue jeans. I'm actually not thinking about this. I was gonna sell this or throw this away or something, but no, I'm gonna make something out of it. I'm gonna get it tailored down, and I'm probably gonna bust a way fire fit with this. Just stick tuned to that. And yeah, man, these are just some regular George jeans. I think I got them in a size. This size is 30 to 32. My nigga, I'm not even size 20. I'm not even size 30 barely yet. Like, my nigga, I'm barely size 30 yet. And that's size 32, size 30. And moving on to the last one, I got these one from Boohoo. As you can see the logo, Boohoo Man. I didn't wear this one either. I tried it on, but it fits straight. Got the Boohoo Man logo right here. This one is kind of big also too, but this one I actually like it because it got more of the cuts, like, you know, on here and all from here. But I might make something out of this, so I might just sell it on my Grail or Offer account. You know, if you want to buy it, send me some offers. I think I bought this for like only $20 around there, and I think they sent me a wrong one. It was a different one, but this is how it turned out. Nothing too much about it, just got the cuts all over them. And yeah, man, these are my blue jeans. If you really want to buy some jeans, best looking jeans, I'd say go to PacSun. Well, mostly I got some of these. PacSun, I'll say Forever 21, but don't really go there. Well, you want to go there and look, but if they don't have it, go there and order it too, like either on eBay or online. See if they have, like, you know, some cheaper or some that you actually like, because you don't want to pay for something that you don't like. Like, this is what I paid for and I don't like it, so stick tuned to the next videos. And yeah, man, probably this, I'm gonna do a video of this to get it tailored down, and this is gonna be the last clip, the last part of the video, man. I'm done with all the jeans. I have quite a bit more, but those I might just end up throwing them away, or so I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Yeah, if you like the video, man, like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Tropical, man, and I'm not gonna be doing too much talking, man. More videos on the way. Press that bell so you don't miss another video, man. And other than that, man, we out, man. Gang. It's your boy Tropical, man, and I'm out. Gang.